100%. 100%.
Yes.
It's beautiful, Gabrielle. Seriously.
Hi, I'm Gabrielle. If this is your first time seeing me, I make crochet and thrifting videos. And I'm starting my new business selling crochet items. I take commissions on Instagram. I got my first order from my friend Jessie, and I'm excited to take you guys along as I design, crochet, and package her order. So the first step is going to be designing. I know that she wants me to make her a checkered bag and colors off-white and green. So I'm going to draw out the dimensions and what the handle should look like, and then how many stitches wide and rows up each square checker will be. Time to crochet her bag! Okay, so I just sent Jessie a picture of one of the bag panels, and she says it looks perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim the yarn and then start working on the second side. I started crocheting during the beginning of quarantine, making things here and there. When classes started up in person again, I would bring my crochet projects to class and work on them during lectures. I got comments from people saying I should start a YouTube channel for my crocheting, and I let that ruminate for a few months. Here I am, starting a channel. Of course, it's difficult to put yourself on the internet for anyone to watch, especially people you know. But it's fun to be creating things and learning about editing and marketing and fashion. I want to create a community of people here with my channel who also love to create and encourage and inspire others. If that sounds like you, hit the subscribe button. You belong here. Because of people like you that I'm starting my own business and am officially crocheting my first order. This video is a huge thank you to everyone who supports me. Everyone needs people who can see their potential and want to see them grow and succeed. So thank you for your comments on my videos and in person. Thank you for liking my videos and getting them on the YouTube algorithm. Let's see where this channel will go. So now that I have both panels of the bag done, I'm going to sew them all together. And then I'm going to attach the yarn and crochet the strap. Before sewing it to the other side. I forgot to say side. So I was going to make an envelope to put in the bag with a little letter in it for the packaging, but then I was talking to my dad and decided that I should just make it a little pocket in the inside of the bag. Here's just a few clips of me designing what I want the pocket/envelope to look like, and then figuring out how to crochet that into something physical. And then you'll see me sew it into the bag. I've officially finished the bag. The strap is about this long. So now it's time to package it up and then I'm gonna bring it to Jessie tomorrow. You know the Apple boxes, how they create a lot of suspense? Because while you're opening like your computer or your phone, it takes like a long time for the box to slide out. I'm gonna do something similar that will like take some time to open. I got some tissue wrapping paper for like $3 and I think this is compostable. Anyways, I'm trying to be sustainable, but I haven't done too much research about what I want to use for packaging yet. I also have a paper cutter, my tissue paper, scissors, little cutout things, stickers, markers, washi tape, and then yarn as well. So let's see how I can package this. So I can't fold it in half because of the card that's in the little pocket, but I can fold it like in thirds. So I can fold both sides in that kind of, if you can see. And then I can just tuck the strap maybe under. So I just laid this on the tissue paper and now I'm gonna wrap it up. I folded it like this, which I think will fit. Alright, the next part is going to be making some little notes to stick under the yarn. I'm going to add some washi tape around the top. Here's the finished package. It says Jessie's checkered bag, and then really small it says made by Gabrielle, and the sticker says handmade with love. All right, let's see what she thinks of it tomorrow. I just woke up and now it's time to get ready for cross country and give Jessie her bag there.
Chase, you gotta present the thing. Hi.
She made you a
Do you like it?
I do. It's so cute.
Yay!
Oh, hand.
Let me zoom in.
Look at this top. There you go. What's up, guys?
This is Jessie's bag. What do you think?
It looks amazing. Packaging is 100% emoji. You should put that in. And I'm gonna open it now.
Okay, it's so bright outside for some reason.
First string open.
Love the wrapping.
Thank you.
Is this wrapping paper?
Yeah.
See my sweat dripping?
Oh my god, I feel that. It's really humid right now. The humidity is at 89%. Ugh!
They're not there.
Oh my god.
It's beautiful.
Oh my god, that's so adorable.
I love it.
I love the colors.
Nature. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, the straps are beautiful. Gabrielle, this is so good.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe you finished it in like 2 days.
Thank you. Yes, it was 10 hours.
Perfect size. It's actually the perfect size. I love it.
There's a surprise in it.
I see it.
Thanks.
Put that in there. There's a little note inside. Okay, thank you, Jessie, for your support as a friend, highlighted, and as a customer. You have 50% off your next order. Yeah, I'm gonna order a bucket hat then. Oh my god, thank you so much. Did the pocket take a long time?
Probably an hour because I had to design it. I didn't know how to make it, so.
What?
I cut that off a shirt.
That's fine. We love repurposing things.
Jessie, it's so cute on you. I knew it looked so
I
good.
love it. The size of the bag is perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. The
Let's
strap
go.
is 100%.
Yes.
That's beautiful, Gabrielle. Seriously. Deal, you want to do that one?
Sure. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.